Hi guys, I am here at Azhar, and with me I have the most pretty damsel Neha here with me, and Neha, the journey. Yes, I can say yes, I have seen right from Miss India to by far being I would say a pretty lady walking the ramp, now handling kids and life our house journey.
It is great, and I feel like I'm not even halfway through.
Yes.
So I just feel like as long as depending on what your speed limit on that day is, you need to be on that path, on that journey. Sometimes you need to go fast, sometimes you need to slow down. But that's what it is. As long as you're well within how much you can handle, you should keep at it. I feel like there's so many amazing, exciting adventures to be on that sometimes I feel like just this much time is not enough.
That's true, that's true. And being a woman, I think everyone admires her. She is really a woman of substance who has all shades of life and everything covered. You've been inspiration to everyone, and journey is very on. So you have been from Delhi, yes, that we know. How's coming back to Delhi?
It's great. I mean, I'm from here, my family's from here, my husband's from here. So, coming back to Delhi always feels like, oh, we're home. Yeah, and that feels exciting. Today we're here at Azhar, and I feel like Delhi is also such a huge sort of fashion capital, and just the best designers, the best jewelry stores, all of it is here in Delhi.
So you think there is a change in the jewelry and the fashion statement which has changed from the era which we were in, and now it has changed?
It depends, right? I mean, it depends on what you want to dress for. I feel like it's not the era, or I mean, fashion and trends come and go. If you are stylish, maybe holding back, right? So it all depends on what you want to actually get dressed for. And I feel like at that point I was doing what I wanted to do, and this point also doing what I wanted to do, because there shouldn't be any kind of fashion is something, or style is something where there shouldn't be any kind of restriction. You should be able to have fun and experiment as much as you want. I mean, and that's what it is for me. Like making a statement is minimalist clothing with kind of maximalist jewelry, and it's great. Like Azhar gives you that, and
Yes, that's very good. Azhar gives you that. So you've been associated with Azhar, LAB or Agni. So it's a long journey.
I mean, it's a part of my journey. Yes, and I'm very excited about it.
Well, thank you so much, Neha, for being here. I love to have you here.
Thank you very much. Thank you.